Well, this is with regards to the Indus Water Treaty. Let's talk about internally what's been happening in Pakistan, because it is troubled when it comes to BLA and the coordinated attacks that they have been carried out. What is now coming across as 14 Pakistani army soldiers have been killed in Balochistan in a deadly attack that was carried out by the BLA on an army convoy. Several others are reportedly injured, vehicles that have been completely decimated, and this attack took place on the 9th of May. So BLA has released a purported video of the attack. Meanwhile, Pradeep, there has been internally more damage that has been caused by the BLA in series of coordinated attacks that was taking place while Operation Sindoor was also simultaneously underway. Pakistan was being hit from all sides. However, it continues to hide the casualties.
Yes, Amita, you're absolutely right, because Pakistan Army is losing its grip over Balochistan area. And you rightly said during the last few days, more than 140 Pakistani Army soldiers have been killed by the Baloch Liberation Army. And a few days back also there was an ambush led by them in which they had triggered IED explosion in which 12 Pakistani soldiers lost their life. And in this video also you can see, this video is captured in Panjgur area in Balochistan while the army convoy was moving towards the cantonment area. That was the time when Baloch Liberation Army rebel, they ambushed this convoy, and more than 14 Pakistan Army soldiers were killed. And what is more, in fact, problem for right now, what is more problematic for Pakistan right now is that many people in Balochistan, social activists, political activists, they have declared Balochistan as a free country. Yesterday, in fact, they asked United Nations to recognize Balochistan as a free nation state, and they wanted that they are going to open embassy in New Delhi also. So they want that money should be provided to them, funds should be provided to them, so that they can have their own passport, they can have their own currency. So that is really problematic. Reason is that because Pakistan had always been treated Balochistan people like second-class citizens. This area was completely marginalized. They had only been exploiting mineral resources. Even China-Pakistan economic corridor that is passing through Balochistan has failed to benefit the people of that area. They're hardly getting any job. So they are angry with the persecution because they feel the Pakistan army is not security forces, but they are occupation forces.
Well, it's raining hellfire for the Pakistani army. At least what is being reported that at least 14 of these soldiers who were killed in Balochistan in this one of the deadliest attacks that was carried out by the Baloch Liberation Army. A purported video of the said attack is also being released by the BLA. Pradeep continues to be with us because